How to contact Temu customer support. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of View. Once you're in the U page, at the top right corner you're going to find these icons. Click on this headphone kind of icon. You will land to the support page. Now here you're going to find different options. If you're having any issues related to these options given over here, just click on it and you can go through the process. In the case you want to directly contact to the Temu support team, what you can do is click on the option of Contact Us. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here you can type in any of your issue and you can send it. Temu's customer service bot will reply to you and you're going to have conversation with Temu customer service, and with that your problem will be resolved. Well, this way you can easily contact Temu customer support. This was really simple and quick process. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.